Hi guys, hello, welcome to my channel. If you're new, welcome to Natural Canadian Girl. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Today I'll be doing another protective style. I'm starting off on, this is like an old wash and go, 5-day wash and go, so I'm just adding some moisture. I'll be doing flat twists at the front and a fancy bun at the top using some old Marley hair that I have. So just adding some Eco Styler gel, small flat twist at the front, and just to give a smooth finish, so I'll add my Eco Styler gel. And you all know I need to go to cornrow university, so I substitute cornrow styles with some flat twist. So I twist all the way down, and at the end I will just braid. So I'll be doing 2 on each side, so 2 on the left side, 2 on the right side. Once again, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I do natural hair styles, I do a little bit of makeup. Let me know what styles you'd like for me to try in the comment section below. I am hoping to have a new video out for you guys every week, 1 video a week at least. So let me know what videos you'd like me to try, and I will definitely include that in my schedule. So here I'm just doing the second flat twist. Again, I'm just flat twisting down, and then I'll braid the end. And this is mainly so not to have the hair unravel. So doing 2 twists on the right side, 2 twists on the left side, and the back I will put in a bun. So this is the second twist. This is, and I always I always direct persons who aren't able to do flat twist or cornrow to YouTube, because there are a number of videos for how to do flat twist or how to do cornrow. I've been watching a lot of videos on how to do cornrow, but I am yet to master that skill. Work in progress. So yeah, so I'm just basically braiding this twist to the end. This is the first week in May. I hope everybody is still staying safe. Hopefully we'll be able to go outside and enjoy the little things that we took for granted pretty soon. So I'm just going to divide the back portion into 2. Now you don't have to have perfect parts. So I'll divide the back section into 2. Put that section out of the way, and then I will just I always add water to my hair before I style, always. And depending on how it is feeling, I'll add some oils, or I'll go in with some leave-in. The leave-in I'm using today is TGIN leave-in. So I just put this side up in a bun, and I'll do the same thing for the other side. And once that is done, I will just go ahead and I twist the Marley hair. It's basically a pack. It's basically a pack that you can get for here in Canada. It's about $5 per pack. So I'll just twist it and attach it to my 2 buns with some bobby pins, and that's it. that's pretty much the style. I'll go ahead and add some little accessories just to add a little oomph to the look. And there you have it. So once again, thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you are new, welcome. Share this video with your friends, and until next week, take care.